You want the best from UAG? I'll give you the best from UAG. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the highest of highest, the Monarch, the UAG Monarch. Now this is just not your typical Monarch case. This is the carbon fiber one. This will run you $79.95, 80 bucks, but it's built with DuPont Kevlar. You have a DuPont Kevlar, boom, logo there. It's rated at 20 feet drop protection by military grade standards. Monarch series, designed for Samsung. Bam, on the back you're gonna see what this offers: 5 layers of protection, armor frame, traction grip, and premium materials built with Kevlar. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unleash this bad boy. Boom, put that aside. Look at this. Boom, feels and looks very solid, very durable case here. Boom, you do have your typical UAG branding there, smack down in the middle of the case. That Kevlar looks good, looks very good actually. This is a very nice rugged style case here for those who like that style. Let's go ahead and place this device in it. Oh, and it fits just, oh dude, bam, look at this, look at this bad boy. Looks and feels amazing. Woo-hoo. Now let's start at the top with the mic. It is nice and precise, no issues there. Let's go to the right side of the case. 100% cover buttons, nice and tactile, very responsive. Let's go to the bottom of the case there. The cutouts are nice and precise. Mic, charging port, speaker, and S Pen. And your S Pen is easily accessible, no issues with that. Boom, look at that. On the back of the phone, your camera lens are nice and protected. You do have this recessed protection there, allowing you to place your phone on its back without fearing you scratching those camera lenses. As well as the front of the phone, you do have this beautiful lip action there on the bottom of the case and on the top of the case, and you do have the cutout for your earpiece. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. There's no issues with that whatsoever. Now it feels very snug, feels good in hand. It adds a little bit of bulk and weight to your device. It is a little bit heavy, but the protection is there. Now it wirelessly charges through the case, and voila, look at that, it wirelessly charges through the case with no issues. This is a very nice, appealing case. First time they built it with Kevlar, if I'm not mistaken. That's why the price is a little higher than normal, $80, but very rugged style protected case. I don't think your Note's gonna ever take any damage with this case installed. Boom, and it is tempered glass screen protector friendly. I do have the Whitestone dome screen protector currently installed, and it works just flawlessly with this case, no issues there. This is your maximum protection for your Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions regarding this case, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.